In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock time on Acuity. Whether you're trying to clear up your schedule or adjust time blocks that were mistakenly added, this guide will walk you through every step of the way. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to acuityscheduling.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Acuity is a powerful scheduling tool that many businesses use to streamline appointments and manage their calendars efficiently. Once you've arrived at the website's homepage, look to the upper right corner where you'll see the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features you need to make adjustments. After clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Input your username and password carefully. If you have saved any previous login information on your browser, now would be a great time to use it. This step is critical for maintaining your account security. So make sure your password is strong and unique. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Calendar tab. This section displays your entire schedule, allowing you to view any events or time blocks that you have set up. It serves as your centralized hub for all scheduling operations, and tweaking here can affect your availability. So be sure to check which calendar view, daily, weekly, or monthly, suits your immediate needs. Now, it's time to locate the block time you wish to adjust. Look for the gray blocked time off event on your calendar. This is typically marked in a color distinct from other event types, making it easier to spot. Once found, click on it to bring up more options. This is a crucial step as it pinpoints the specific block you want to unblock. With the block time event open, you'll notice several options. Keep things simple by choosing the option to delete. Clicking delete will initiate the process of removing this time block from your calendar, thereby freeing up your schedule once more. A confirmation prompt will then appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This step acts as a safeguard, making sure you're intentionally removing the block. Be precise here and click Yes to confirm. It's a quick step, but one that finalizes the unblocking process. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully unblocked time on Acuity. This newfound freedom in your calendar allows you to manage appointments more effectively, adjust for last-minute changes, or simply leave room for that much-needed downtime. Keep in mind that clearing these blocks affects how clients can book time with you, so always double-check your schedule afterwards to avoid any surprises. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.